So outside of video games, a lot of people are using Unreal Engine for movies, for films. And big congrats! I saw War is Over, a short film that was made with Unreal Engine, won an Oscar. So you can add that to the resume. So that's huge. An Oscar-winning film made with Unreal Engine. So what do you see as the future of the use of Unreal Engine and creating stories in the film industry?
Increasing capabilities and productivity. The limiting factor in every one of these businesses is cost. And the more the engine can make their jobs easier, the more power that brings them. One of the big revolutions we've seen in Hollywood is the moving away from doing computer graphics integration into a human scene with green screens to moving to these large LED wall panels with they're displaying real-time computer graphics powered by the Unreal Engine. Um, and that's a massive improvement in quality. You can recognize the old green screen movies because the lighting on the characters is just wrong. And as much as they try to fix it up, it never really works. But when you're filming in front of a LED panel with LED light emitters in front of you as well, the actor not only picks up all of the lighting from the actual natural scene that they're supposed to appear in the movie, but they also can look around and see it, and they're aware of exactly what set they're acting in. And just the overall end result is that much higher. It's as much because the actors are able to do their jobs better, seeing the scene they're in, because the technology is enabling a better lighting calculation and a better interplay of virtual light and real world light to make the end result awesome.